The manufacturing industry is the second most targeted industry when it comes to cyber attacks. Business competitors, state players, and hackers of all kinds can pose a real threat to the organization. One way to do it is to send an imposter, disguised as a maintenance worker or a service provider who simply plugs to a computer a USB driver with the virus on it. Production departments often have one computer that many employees are responsible for. Psychologically, here lies the loophole. The bystander effect is a concept in social psychology that describes a phenomenon in which the greater the number of people present, the less likely an individual will feel responsibility for the situation. What does this actually mean? You will assume that the stranger you see has already been questioned by someone else. The consequences of this can be disastrous, from stealing information to ransom to deliberate sabotage that can disable the entire production line and make it impossible to control the facility and the process. The solution? Be aware and proactive. If you see a stranger, question him. And in suspicious cases, report immediately to the cyber department.